Ever looked at your bank account and thought, where the heck did all my money go? You just got paid, and now your card gets declined for a burrito. You're not dumb. You're not lazy. You just don't have a system. Because if you don't control your money controls you. I'm Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from zero to $600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate, and now I'm growing my net worth through retirement investing. And I want to give you the financial advice I wish someone had given me. Let's start with the truth. You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because your system's broken. A budget is how you fix it. Half of Americans still live paycheck to paycheck. And according to a new report, more than half of adults in the UK now use AI tools for budgeting. That's wild. People are literally outsourcing their financial brain. But even the smartest AI can't save you if your foundation is cracked. Budgeting is that foundation. Here's the myth. People say, I don't make enough to budget. Wrong. You budget because you don't make enough. A budget doesn't restrict you, it directs you. So how do you actually do it? You start by knowing your numbers. What's your take-home pay each month? The real amount hitting your bank. Then you track every single dollar you spend for one full month. Every coffee, every subscription, it's just $5. Because what gets tracked gets fixed. Once you have that, you sort everything into 4 buckets: needs, wants, debt, and future. Needs are survival: rent, food, utilities, transportation. Wants are lifestyle: dining out, streaming, hobbies, impulse stuff. Debt is what drags you backward: credit cards, car loans, student loans. Future is what pushes you forward: saving and investing. When you see where your money actually goes, something powerful happens. You start taking control. You stop wondering where your money went because you told it where to go. If you've got variable income, don't wait for stability. Budget based on your lowest earning month. Anything above that becomes your cushion or your investment fund. If you think I already spend nothing and still can't save, you're probably missing the leaks. It's never the giant purchases. It's the quiet ones that kill you. If you think I don't have discipline, you don't need it. You need automation. Set your bills to auto pay. Set your savings to auto transfer. Let the system do the heavy lifting. Now here's what happens when you don't budget. You get surprise bills and panic. You make more money and still feel broke. You end up paying credit card interest instead of funding your retirement. That's not life. That's survival mode. I've seen this play out too many times. Let me tell you about Sarah. She made $60,000 a year and thought she was doing okay. Every year she'd check her bank and think, what happened? Then her car broke down, $1,200. She didn't have it. She put it on a card. Then the rent went up. Then a medical bill hit. Before she knew it, she was drowning. All because she didn't have a system. When we sat down and built her budget, she found $450 a month she didn't even realize she was spending. Within 6 months, she had $2,700 in savings. Within a year, she started investing. She went from stress to steady. That's what budgeting does. It gives you clarity, control, and peace. And look, I get it. Budgeting sounds boring, but so does freedom until you taste it. It's not about eating rice and beans. It's about buying peace of mind. Start simple. Write down your income. List your must-pays. Track what's left. Adjust it monthly. That's it. If you skip this step, every dollar you earn will vanish. Every raise will disappear. And every goal will stay out of reach. You don't build wealth by accident. You build it by system. This is level 1 of the wealth game, and everything else depends on it. If you're serious about leveling up, the next move is yours. Fill out the client assessment form. The link's in the description below. We'll figure out where your money's going, build your system, and set you on the path to freedom. Invest steady. Compound your net worth.